Hi, I'm Jason Tesler, second generation owner at Just Dashes, and we're going to talk about how to do a photo inspection. We have our receiving rack here of all the dashes that we just received in, and here we've got a 69 GTO dash, and unfortunately we didn't get a photo inspection ahead of time, and we've had to have some conversations with the customer to kind of retroactively go and figure out what we want to do for him, what we can do for him. So in a photo inspection, it's super important to get a photo of the front side of the dash, back side of the dash, the sides,
and any specific damaged areas that you would like addressed.
The side and back photos are super important because as we can see in this dash here, the metal has completely been eaten away by rust. And this is the type of rust that's super nasty. We wouldn't have known that while the dash was installed in the car. So we can still provide an approximate cost and range with the dash in the car, but that's about as far as we can go with it. After that, we're kind of guessing, and we really don't like to guess. We really want to have your project be as predictable as possible for you and for us. So it's a win-win to do this step 2 photo inspection process so we can really help you understand the scope of your project and let you know exactly what you're getting into. So we do ask for photos of the backside of the dash as well. There's going to be some oddball dashes where maybe you don't have the dash out of the car yet and you're just trying to get an idea of it. Well, in that case, a photo of the dash in the car is okay, but we're still just going to be able to give you a range of approximate cost until that dash is out of the car. Even with the oddball stuff, we've seen dashes look like where it's a simple top pad and then you take it out of the car and then it extends all the way into the lower dash and it ends up becoming a much larger intensive project than you may have imagined. So don't skip the photo inspection phase. We highly encourage it and invite you to send the photos in, and we will get back to you with our assessment.